Today, we dive into the exciting and highly anticipated release of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a smartwatch that promises to revolutionize the world of premium sports wearables. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, this new offering from Garmin has something incredible in store for you. Let's explore everything we know about the Fenix 8 Pro, from its revolutionary features to its rumored release date, and why it's set to be a game-changer in the wearable tech market. A revolution in display technology. The Garmin Fenix series has consistently delivered impressive displays, but the Fenix 8 Pro is taking things to the next level. Rumor has it that this smartwatch will feature MicroLED technology, a groundbreaking innovation that outshines traditional LCD and OLED displays in several key areas. Why MicroLED matters. MicroLED displays are renowned for their brighter visuals, sharper image quality, and reduced power consumption. This means you'll enjoy stunning clarity whether you're trekking under the blazing midday sun or navigating shadowy trails deep in the forest. Unlike conventional displays, which often struggle in extreme lighting conditions, MicroLED ensures unparalleled visibility in any environment. Not only does this enhance user experience, but it also improves durability, a critical factor for outdoor enthusiasts. The rugged nature of MicroLED displays makes them resistant to scratches and impacts, perfect for the challenges of hiking, climbing, or other rigorous activities. Additionally, the energy efficiency of MicroLED may contribute to extending the battery life far beyond what we've seen in previous models. Enhanced battery performance. Garmin's current Fenix 8 already boasts an impressive battery life, with certain models lasting up to 48 days on a single charge. The integration of MicroLED technology in the Fenix 8 Pro could push this boundary even further. Whether you're on a multi-day expedition or simply prefer fewer charging cycles, this enhanced endurance is a game-changer for both adventurers and everyday users alike. Advanced health monitoring features. Garmin is known for its pioneering health tracking technology, and the Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to elevate this to an entirely new level. At the heart of these innovations lies the Elevate Gen 6 heart rate sensor, a cutting-edge tool designed to provide the most precise and comprehensive health data available. Standout health features. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to include continuous ECG monitoring. This feature allows for real-time tracking of heart health, offering valuable insights for both fitness enthusiasts and individuals monitoring their cardiovascular health. Lactate threshold tracking. By measuring how efficiently your body uses oxygen during exercise, this tool helps optimize training regimens for peak performance. Heart rate variability, HRV analysis. Monitoring HRV offers insights into recovery and overall well-being, helping users make informed decisions about their fitness routines. Sleep and recovery data. Detailed reports on sleep patterns enable users to adjust their habits for maximum recovery and optimal performance. These features are designed to cater to a wide range of users, from casual health enthusiasts to elite athletes. With the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin is setting a new standard for health and fitness tracking. A slimmer yet rugged design. The Garmin Fenix series has always been synonymous with durability, and the Fenix 8 Pro will continue this legacy while introducing a sleeker profile. Leaked details suggest two size options, 47mm and 51mm, similar to its predecessor. However, the integration of MicroLED technology is expected to allow for a more compact design without compromising strength. Versatility meets style. This refined design ensures the Fenix 8 Pro can seamlessly transition from rugged outdoor activities to formal settings. Whether you're scaling a mountain or attending a business meeting, this smartwatch promises to look right at home on your wrist. Enhanced features like a brighter flashlight and improved microphone capabilities further demonstrate Garmin's commitment to meeting the real-world needs of its users. Satellite connectivity for ultimate freedom. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Fenix 8 Pro is the inclusion of satellite connectivity. This feature could redefine what's possible for smartwatch users venturing into remote areas. Imagine being able to send messages or make calls even in locations where cellular service is unavailable. This capability could be invaluable for ultramarathon runners, hikers, and explorers, exploring new frontiers. While specific details remain under wraps, including satellite connectivity aligns with Garmin's mission to empower users to confidently explore the great outdoors. Whether embarking on a solo trek through the wilderness or participating in a challenging endurance race, this feature ensures you stay connected and safe, no matter where your adventures take you. Garmin's legacy of innovation. To truly appreciate the significance of the Fenix 8 Pro, it's worth revisiting Garmin's impressive history with the Fenix series. Fenix 5 introduced a rugged design tailored for outdoor use. Fenix 6 added solar charging and expanded storage capabilities. Fenix 7 enhanced mapping features with multi-band GNSS support and a built-in flashlight. Fenix 8 focused on extended battery life and overall performance improvements. The Fenix 8 Pro builds on this legacy by incorporating cutting-edge technology like MicroLED displays, advanced health monitoring tools, and potential satellite connectivity. These features solidify its position as a leader in the smartwatch market. Advanced training tools for athletes. Serious athletes will find the Fenix 8 Pro to be an invaluable training companion. Its rumored features are designed to provide precise data and actionable insights that help optimize performance. From running metrics to cycling power analysis, this smartwatch is tailored to meet the needs of competitive athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Why it's worth the investment. For tech enthusiasts and athletes, the Fenix 8 Pro's combination of advanced features and practical functionality makes it a worthwhile investment. With competitors like Apple's Ultra series raising the stakes, Garmin's Fenix 8 Pro is well equipped to hold its own in a crowded market. Release timeline and final thoughts. Garmin typically follows an 18 to 24-month refresh cycle for the Fenix series, but the rapid succession of leaks suggests that the Pro version could arrive sooner than expected. If the rumors are true, the Fenix 8 Pro's release date may be just around the corner, making it one of the most eagerly awaited wearables of the year. In conclusion, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be a groundbreaking addition to the world of premium sports watches. With innovations like micro-LED displays, advanced health monitoring, and potential satellite connectivity, it promises to set new benchmarks for performance and usability. Whether you're an ultramarathon runner, triathlete, or outdoor enthusiast, the Fenix 8 Pro offers features tailored to your unique needs. Thank you for joining us on Technology in the Future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Share your thoughts about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro in the comments below. We'd love to hear what features you're most excited about.